Hello everyone, this is Jody and today I'm decorating my March month at a glance. I've already added my date stickers down, which are a gold foiling, really pretty. I'm going to be using stickers out of this book here. It is from the Paper Studio and it is months of the year. And I'm obviously going to use the March ones, and it has the greens, kind of an aqua color, pink, white, and then a gold foiling. Really nice. Then I might use a couple of these bow stickers. I've been into bow stickers lately. Then my washes I'm going to use. Got this one here, just not a whole lot left, not sure how much is left of it, but the shamrocks. This one with the stripes. And another one with the shamrocks. I've only got 2 washes that have shamrocks, so that's what I'm using. This one has stars and a gold foiling. And then this one right here with the pink with the gold foiling. And pink and white stripes. And that is it. washi down that I wanted, and I really love the pink with the greens. It's just such a pretty color, and then the touch of yellow down here. So I'm just going to add my stickers in. So let's see. Nice, really nice March sticker here. I think I'm going to bring it all the way over to the end here. Whoops. And I just love this little touch of green sticking out the end there. Let's see. There's this one. It says You Shamrock. Really cute. So let's see. I'm going to have to put them over some of the numbers, so that's okay. I mean, I'll remember that 6 goes then to 7. So this says Clever. I will add this down here in the corner. This says A Little Thing Called Luck, and I'm going to put this on the opposite side as my month sticker. It's a little bit wider, it seems. So it covers up just a touch of the days of the week, but that's okay. It says Top of the Morning. Really cute. Maybe I will add that over here. Oh, actually, I think I'm going to put it up here. Just cover that. I like the floral here, but I don't like that what it said underneath. So it says, May your day be touched by a bit of Irish luck. So I should put this over here. So I'm going to actually put that like this. For the 17th, but I want my shamrocks to show there, so I will add it like that. That says You Are My Pot of Gold. I'm going to add this at the bottom. Let's see. Nope, I've got a lot going on for work there. Actually, maybe I'll add it here since the days of the week don't start yet. So let's see. Nope, I don't want to cover up my bows. I'm going to do it like in between. There we go. It says You Are Gold, Baby, Solid Gold. Really cute. I'm going to put this down here. Just have a few left. I think I'm going to use them all. This one says Happy St. Patrick's Day. So let's see. I think I'm just going to go ahead and double this up, cover up my days of the week. That's okay. Let's see, come right over to the 18th. There we go. Just to get a little bit of a collage going on in there. This says hashtag Get Your Green On. Excuse me, my stomach is growling like crazy. Then this one says Kiss Me, I'm Irish. Let's see, I'm going to pull the last few out. This one says Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I really like that one. And then Irish Kisses, Shamrock Wishes. So that is this one. All right. So I'm going to put this one over here. Double these up. This one with the Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Let's see. I think I'm going to add this over here. And then I need one more, so I'll add this one over here. So let's see. I'm going to add this one here. All right, and I did pull out some of this sticker paper that is like a kind of like a glittery shimmer, so I don't know if I want to use that anywhere, but I'll go ahead and open one up just to kind of layer it. So let's see if I lift this up, put this down under here, do that. Then I've got the green. Oops, that one's crooked. Let me fix this first. Okay. Then this green, do I want to do anything with that? Oop. All right, maybe I will add it underneath. Actually, I probably need to put it over here. So let's see. And then I will add the other green over there. So just to kind of throw a pop of color. So maybe I'll do it like this instead. Okay, just a pop of color there. And I think I'm going to cut this one in half. Oops. It's very thin, as you can see, very thin. Really nice though. Came from the Dollar Tree. Maybe I will put this under here. Get my bows, if it to line up nice with the bows. Just a little touch of color there. And maybe under here as well. Nope, because I only have one on this side, so I think that's going to be it with that. So I'm gonna maybe add some bows around. So let's see. I do have some yellow, so I can add a yellow one. I've got that pink, so I can add some pink as well. And a yellow one over here. There we go. So I've got two on each side, so maybe I'll do two more. So I'll do a pink one on this side. Oops, got to scoot it over just a pinch. There. And then I need a green one on this side. So let's see. I don't like it with that. So maybe I will add it up here by luck. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back in my planner. So it's back in my planner, and I punched the holes on the sides here, and I love that the two different washies here, the stars, just kind of like, I guess, with the pot of gold kind of shamrock type thing. It just, I love that there. And then the green and white stripes. And I love that the pink is added to this layout, that they added the pink in the stickers. Just kind of gives it an extra touch. And gives me enough space to write for work. And I've got a little bit here of a sidebar that I can add what I need to. And that is it. I thank you for watching. Bye, guys.